Once upon a time, in a quiet little town surrounded by towering pines and whispering rivers, there was a woodshop named Craft Master Plans. Now, this was no ordinary shop. It was a place where wood whispered its stories, and tools hummed along as if enchanted by a hidden magic. The shop belonged to an old carpenter named Elias, known across the land for his unmatched craftsmanship and wisdom passed down through generations. Elias believed that true mastery lay not just in creating things, but in passing knowledge to those willing to learn. So, every Saturday, he would open his doors to anyone eager to discover the art of woodworking. Young beginners and seasoned craftsmen alike came from far and wide to learn from Elias. They came with dreams of crafting sturdy tables, elegant chairs, and intricate wooden decor, but many found much more than that within those wooden walls. One chilly autumn morning, a young man named Leo arrived at Craft Master Plans. He was eager yet unsure, holding a small notebook filled with sketches of designs he hoped to bring to life. Elias greeted him warmly, sensing both ambition and hesitation. Leo had heard tales of Elias' skills, and though he dreamed of learning, he wasn't sure he could ever match such expertise. "Come in, Leo," Elias said with a gentle smile, placing a reassuring hand on his shoulder. "Here, we don't aim for perfection. We aim for progress and the joy of creation." Over the weeks, Leo learned how to feel the grain of the wood, to understand the strengths and weaknesses hidden within each piece, and to shape his designs with both purpose and patience. Each evening, Elias would share tales of past creations, of the people who had used them, and the stories each piece held. Leo felt as though he was not only shaping wood but also crafting something timeless, a piece of himself in every creation. As the months passed, Leo's confidence grew, and soon he was crafting pieces that bore his unique style. With Elias' guidance, he came to understand that the heart of woodworking wasn't just in the finished product, but in every cut, every plan, and every detail. He saw that Craft Master Plans was more than a workshop. It was a place where dreams were carved and lifelong skills nurtured. By spring, Leo was ready to venture on his own, carrying not only the skills but also the passion and wisdom Elias had shared with him. Craft Master Plans continued to welcome new learners, and Elias' legacy lived on in the hands and hearts of those who passed through his doors. And so, Craft Master Plans became a symbol of growth, creativity, and the boundless spirit of craftsmanship, where every piece of wood told a story and every story shaped the future.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special. If you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your next project. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more valuable content. Let's build something great together.